Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install Sweep Profile in 3ds Max. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and just type in Sweep Profile 3ds Max. Okay, hit on enter. Now go ahead and scroll down and find the Sweep Profile from KS Studio right here, or K Studio. So scroll down a bit, and then instead of Sweep Pro, click on drop down and click on Sweep Profile. You have the download Sweep Profile for free right here. So just click on it, save it wherever you want. Wait for the download process to finish, and once that's done, close this one. Here we have the RAR file. Right click and extract. Okay, here we have the files. We have the MZP. So go ahead and open up 3ds Max. So once it's opened, go to the top, click on scripting. Run script, find the downloaded MZP file, click on it, click on open. Now if you get an error while installing it, don't worry, you can close 3ds Max, then copy the MZP or cut it, open up the directory, local disk C, program files, Autodesk, 3ds Max. You can try to go to your plugins and put that in here. Continue, and then go back, go to UI or the UI section. Right here, double click, icons, right click on it, click on properties, security right here. Select your owner or the user, edit, allow full control, hit on apply. Okay. Once that's done, right click on 3ds Max, run as administrator, hit on yes. Now it says download and install demo moldings for Sweep Profile. So just click on yes. Now it says here Max script completed, C script in KS Studio category. So just click on OK and wait for 3ds Max to load. And after that, if you want to rewrite the installation or test if it really works, you can go ahead over to run script once more. Find the RAR file. Okay, let's just go ahead and select all files. And find the RAR file that we have downloaded. Right here, right click and extract. Okay. Here we have the Sweep Profile. Find the MZP, click on open. Now it says the same thing. Just click on yes, okay. And then go to customize user interface, toolbars right here. Now under category, you should be able to see K Studio, click on it, and then here we have Sweep Profile. Okay? And there you have it. That's how easy it is to install Sweep Profile on 3ds Max. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.